Today, God willing, we will continue our discussion on the proxy topic. Hopefully, we will have a complete series by God's grace. From the moment we thought about how to try our connection through the proxy, we will continue our steps, God willing, with an explanation for each episode, God willing. Today, God willing, we will talk about how we can have a proxy that gives us a different IP every time we open a site or do something. The steps are very simple and easy, God willing. In the name of God, let's start together. The first thing we worked on before, right? Everything we will do, of course, is that as soon as you start it, all these things will be closed. Right? Yao, like this, and this too. And you will have the proxy here. If you want to change the proxy, you click. And you change your proxy. Right? After you change the proxy, you open the firewall, and you enter. And after that, you do something called neural, and you give in your port, like this, wide, like this, and you choose the port. And you write the port you will choose so that it works with you. If there's any confusion or anything, we have detailed information in the previous videos. Right. So, we have finished the port. What are we going to do now? We have something called the LAN. We will click on it to open it. And you will find something in the options here called System Proxy. We will enable this System Proxy. What will interest us from this menu now is that you will find something called General, Proxy, and Profile. We will work in those three. We have finished our settings in the System Proxy and the LAN that is in the General. If we enter, let me just go with you. Let's delete the things that are here. This is deleted. To make things clear, if you enter normally, you will find this empty. This proxy is empty. There is nothing in it at all. All we will do is go back to the word profile. You will have the option that is just the one that exists. Right? The files, God willing, will be available, and I will specify them and add them. It contains the proxies that I use. So you will remove the existing proxy and put your proxy. Everything will be the same. You will find copy and paste. I will leave you everything complete so you can follow the same steps. When you run ChatPeat and give it your proxy, it will adjust the file for you immediately, without you having to write or launch anything. After that, the file will be available with you. You will click on the import button, and you will go to the location where your file is. I have named it Proxy. I will double click on it. Yeah, you will find it downloaded here in the list. Okay. If as soon as it downloads, if I go back to the word proxy, I will not find it available. So I will go back to the profile again and click on it as soon as I see the arrow here turn green. If I go back to the word proxy, you will find all my proxies appeared. Right? Okay? So the whole idea is that in the profile, you choose the proxy file that you put with your IPs and your things, and automatically, it will start listening with you. Okay? Now, consider that we have finished the whole basic idea. We will now open Chrome here, and we will see what the IP is. And we will see what the IP is. If I click here, it will show me the one that ends with 37, which is in London. If I open now any IP to location, for example, and refresh, it will show me here the IP that ends with 37. Look here. It showed me the IP that ended with 150. Okay, if I went to this and told it, refresh, it showed me New York, USA, and it gave me a completely different IP. If I went to this site here, it was 134. If I told it refresh, it changed for me. Okay, 1. If we did this, yes, if we entered this too. And we refreshed 124. We are in the same browser. Every tab we open has a different IP. If we wait for about 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes, just a minute more, and you will do it again, change the IP for me. This is already pulling. Right? Noi. If I entered here, it was 150. If I click to do it again, change the IP for me. If I went to this and did it again, Inch'Allah, now 85, action, change the IP. So you are already working with you. Okay, if you want to make the IPs work without any problem at all, but you want to tell it that all sites should have this, issue in this way that it changes the IP. But for example, you want a specific site not to change the IP. Meaning, for example, if I want to open YouTube now, but when you open YouTube, the IP should not change, so the IP is fixed. So you took a proxy, a fixed IP that does not change at all as long as it is working. Yeah. But if you open, for example, Facebook, it changes. If you open, for example, Google, it changes. If you open any other site, it will start changing automatically. So this is available. The whole topic is not complicated. If I open this file too to show you, so you understand how the whole idea works. Of course, here, what we chose, and the socket that is also present. That is not going to change anything. You have here a word you will enter here. All you will do is, for example, I tried around 50. You have only 10 that you will use. You will delete what is present. Okay, how will you modify it? The word will remain as it is, and even be as it is. If you will use from web shared, right? If you will use a socks file, you will change it to a socks file. You will find a word server followed by 2 dots. You will take this IP. This is the IP. You will write your IP. And the port, you will write your port. If there are usernames and passwords present, they will be added as they are not present. You will delete them between the brackets without deleting anything. So all these comments are like everything as it is. The thing that is not present with you, you will delete it only. Okay. And here, if you will use less than 50, as I am trying, you will delete the extra that is present. Okay? But everything will stay as it is present. Do not change anything at all. This is the idea of the file. Up to this point, everything is simple. There is nothing complicated. Okay, if we want to implement the idea we talked about, how will it be done? If I went to the word profile, okay, you will find a file I have prepared for it. Of course, this file I will upload as well. The same topic you will put the file. Let me also, like I said, click on it. The file will do an import. It will be available. The basic config will remain as it is. You will not modify anything at all. The proxies that we added. You will find the file that will be available. Whatever name you name it, you will click on it with the left click. After you do the import, and then click on it with the left click, this file contains, so we also know what it contains. It contains my proxies. Okay, as I added it. Okay, fine, but I will give them a rule. Each proxy will have a different rule. Okay? Here I will specify that these are the proxies, everything as it is. Of course, you will modify your proxies and put your data. Okay. And you will have all the existing rules. And you will delete as we talked about in the labels. You will have here the part that will contain all the work. If we take it back like this, you will find it starting from the word Proxy 5, not number 1, although number 1 is present here. So it removes the proxies that will have restrictions. Is that okay? You will specify a certain proxy with a certain IP that will only open. It will be, for example, a fixed one on YouTube or on What's My IP Fixed, and the rest of the sites will start changing. So you will remove it from here. You want one too, as you like, at your convenience. And of course, here we define what sites will open. Is that okay? And you will have here the word rules. Everything will remain as it is. You will modify only the domain that you need, nothing else. Okay? You're here. You put your ifs here. And here, you put exactly what you're going to follow. Okay? If I came here, the file I was editing is here. If you open it, of course you can open it, as I edited it. I modified it here. I'm testing on 10 proxies. I choose them. And I wrote my stuff here, as we agreed. I started from the IP of proxy number 3 to 10. If here, it starts from 1. Here, so I excluded the first 2 proxies. One will work on What's My IP. Okay. Okay. And the other one connects to IP info, and so on. Okay. And here, the sites are as they are. So all you have to do is modify the sites you want. And hit save. It will open for you. The sites, of course, he wrote everything in detail. Okay. If I clicked on it, it would be pressed. And I went back to the Proxy Summit. You will find all the settings we talked about are now available. We'll try it together now. As soon as you click, as soon as it works. We'll try now to go to a site called My IP and refresh. It took the IP, which is 156. IP. Okay. And the info I opened. No, I opened. What is this? Info.io. Yes. If I opened any other site, here it gives an IP. But the IP will change as we see. I opened this. It changes with me. And to me. It changes with me. If I went back to the one, which is what's my IP that we originally put in the rule, and I refreshed, as it is with me, it stayed. Of course, I chose what's my IP because the IP is clear and easy. We can identify it. Okay. So for you, if you want to specify a certain IP, with me, it became available. If you want to keep it at the same time, it also became available. I mean, every time you refresh, it changes the IP to the existing one. But I just wanted to clarify the information for you. The idea is easy. God willing, in the coming period, we will start taking them step by step. I mean, in the next period, how we try to keep the same idea. Of course, I use this. Okay. Oh, this is mine. Okay. The whole idea is that you, one, can benefit. You have here a line called this plan, which is a bit expensive. It's not cheap. Pay. So, you can benefit from the system we're talking about. What is it? You go and choose the package you want. Let's say, of course, it will be much cheaper than the other. Choose the number of IPs and choose the gigs you want. And take the IPs and do them as we tried. Of course, I took the plan that I'm testing on, but I mean, I'm just using it for testing. So, if you want to ease your mind from all this confusion, the easiest thing and the most suitable is that you can take the and put all your IPs in it. Okay? Whatever the group you will use. In this case, you will have many IPs and you can switch between them. Not just one IP. If you want to wait, God willing, in the coming period, we'll start talking about a different idea regarding the proxy topic. And God willing, we will start with God's permission to create a dashboard. I mean, I'm already working on creating a dashboard now. So it will be easy. I mean, without getting into all these complications, I mean, you will click and add your stuff. It will make the matter much easier for me. If anyone has any inquiries or anything, leave me in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and peace be upon you. Sorry, we extended this video, but my dear, peace with you, and all the ideas. Thank you very much, and peace be upon you.